Today we'll do some trigonometry. Trigonometry basically studies the relationship between angles and sides of triangles. So we have the right angle triangle. Basically, it's a triangle that has a right angle. Now, the one that is sloped is hypotenuse. The one that is opposite to it is just called opposite side. Then you have the adjacent side. Now, there are ratios in this triangle which put into relationship the three sides of it. So first we have a ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse. That is called sine. Then you have another ratio with the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. That is the cos. Then you have the third ratio between the opposite side and the adjacent side. That is the tangent. It is basically sinus and cosinus and tangent. The trick to remember these, so it's S-O-H, so C-A-H and T-O-A. So that is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA is the trick. So now this is basically a ratio of the sides, but it is in relationship to the angle. So it's sinus of the angle, cosinus of the angle, and tangent of the angle. Now let's have an example. Let's say you have the opposite side as 3, the adjacent side as 4, and the hypotenuse as 5. So let's just have a visual representation. We have 5 here, 4 here, and 3 here. So the sin of the angle is equal to 3 over 5. Cos of the angle is adjacent, so which is 4, divided by hypotenuse, which is 5. Then tangent is 3 over 4. So these are your ratios.